In this guide video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you fix Sony Google TV no sound from soundbar using HDMI ARC. So if your Sony Google TV isn't outputting sound to your soundbar via HDMI ARC, several troubleshooting steps can be taken. So make sure that the HDMI cable is securely plugged into the HDMI ARC or eARC port of your TV and the HDMI ARC or eARC port onto your soundbar as well. If the HDMI cable looks damaged, you could try using a different one. Next thing is you could verify soundbar settings. So for that, what you want to do is you simply want to check your soundbar input section. Make sure it's set to correct inputs such as TV or ARC. Ensure Bluetooth is not activated on the soundbar as this might be interfering with the ARC connection as well. You could also try turning up the volume on the soundbar itself to see if that fixes your issue or not. The other thing what you could also do is you could go to audio settings and navigate to sound or display and sound section. Make sure that the speaker settings are set to audio system or external speaker. You could also check the digital audio output settings if it's set to auto, or pass through try setting it to PCM plus code modulation. If your soundbar support Dolby Digital or DTS, try. And for Android TV or Google TV, you might need to clear the data or cache of the Google TV app. That should be able to help you out. If not, you could also power cycle, that is turn off both the TV and a soundbar. Unplug the power cord from both the devices, wait for at least 2 minutes, and then reconnect the power cords and the HDMI cable. That should be able to help you out. So these are some of the ways to fix it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.